Imagine controlling your own fighter jet that doesn't just fly, it transforms the sky into a bubble show. The new remote control fighter bubble plane takes ordinary play to extraordinary heights with powerful flight performance and magical bubble streams that kids and adults can't resist. Lightweight, durable, and easy to control, it's built for thrilling stunts, smooth landings, and endless laughter. Whether indoors or outdoors, this bubble jet turns every moment into a spectacular airshow. Don't just watch, be the pilot of the fun. Tired of boring toys that lose excitement after a few minutes? The new remote control fighter bubble plane is here to change the game. With its high-speed flying action and mesmerizing bubble trail, kids stay engaged, entertained, and active for hours. Parents love its durable design, while children can't get enough of the magical flight show. Easy to control and safe for all ages, it's more than just a toy. It's an unforgettable flying adventure. Ready to give your family a gift they'll actually use? Take off today. The sky is calling. Are you ready to answer? Rocket, the new remote control fighter bubble plane, delivers non-stop action with thrilling stunts and sparkling bubble streams that light up playtime. Perfect for family gatherings, outdoor fun, or just backyard adventures, this fighter jet guarantees smiles and laughter for everyone. Built tough to handle crashes and lightweight for easy control, it's the kind of toy that kids will never put down. Don't let this chance fly by. Get yours now before the skies fill with bubbles. Turn your backyard into a mini airshow with the new remote control fighter bubble plane. Picture the joy on your child's face as they take the controls, sending their fighter soaring across the sky while a stream of bubbles follows behind like magic. It's fast, it's fun, and it sparks endless imagination, from bubble dogfights to glowing stunts at sunset. More than just a toy, it's a ticket to unforgettable playtime memories. Who will be the pilot in your family? Looking for the ultimate gift that's guaranteed to impress? Wrap-Gift, the new remote control fighter bubble plane, combines the thrill of flight with the wonder of bubbles, making it the kind of present kids never forget. Watch them laugh, chase, and fly their own jet while you enjoy a front-row seat to the fun. With simple controls, long-lasting build, and dazzling effects, it's perfect for birthdays, holidays, or surprise moments. Don't wait until it sells out. Make your next gift unforgettable with this bubble fighter jet.
For order, subscribe, click the link below.